Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use the V2Ray VPN app. If you're new to VPNs or just want to learn how this particular app works, this walkthrough will help you get started. We'll go through the entire process from downloading the app to connecting to a server, and we'll also take a look at some advanced options such as tweaks and SNI settings. Let's get started. First, head over to the Google Play Store and search for V2Ray Tunnel VPN. Tap Install, and since the app is around 22 megabytes, it should download and install fairly quickly on most devices. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll see a welcome screen with a heart icon. Take a moment to read through the features and then tap the Let's Go button at the bottom to continue. Now it's time to pick a server. On the main screen, you'll notice a large power button. Before connecting, you'll be asked to select a server type. The app offers three options: premium servers, free servers, and custom servers. For this tutorial, let's go with the free servers option. You'll see a list of available servers from different countries such as Australia, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. Each server shows its ping time in milliseconds, which helps you choose the one with the best speed for your connection. After choosing a server, the main screen will update with your selection. At this point, you can also explore the advanced settings. Tap the three-line menu at the top left corner to open more options. Here, you'll find settings for tweaks and SNI. Tweaks are preset configurations that can improve stability and performance depending on your network environment. Selecting one can help optimize your connection. Next, there's the SNI option, also known as server name indication. This setting is part of how secure connections are established, and the app gives you the option to adjust it if needed. Once you've configured your settings, you're ready to connect. Simply tap the large power button in the center of the screen. The app will explain that the button turns blue when the VPN is active and gray when it's not. The first time you connect, you may be asked to grant the app permission to create a VPN connection. Make sure to allow this so the app can work properly. In addition to the basic features, the V2Ray app also includes some helpful extras. In the settings menu, you can enable a speed display in your notification bar, which lets you monitor your connection in real time. You'll also find options like auto-reload servers, which are enabled by default, and a per-app proxy feature that lets you decide which apps on your phone use the VPN. And that's it, a complete guide to setting up and using the V2Ray VPN app. Once you're connected, you can enjoy a more private and secure browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.